Hello everyone, we're going to add a second background to our jungle adventure. You can get all these off the homepage of Amazing ICT and just click on the Scratch channel. So at the moment,
Un perroquet.
it says a parrot in French and the parrot should move across. But what I want it to do is to make it a bit more realistic, is for when the parrot touches the side or goes to that side, it goes to a different background. So let's try and do that. And it's a little bit complicated, so feel free to pause the video. So what we need to do is about 5 or 6 different things. So the first one is add a second background. So let's go to outdoors. Now there isn't another jungle there, but there's a nice sort of wooded area, so we could make it go to the woods. To start with, what we need to say is for the parrot needs to be in the jungle to start with, just as the other characters are. So you need the purple one, switch to jungle. Let's test that. Notice
Un
I'm using the
perroquet.
word test. So that's fine. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to add a sort of mark on the right hand side of the jungle. So we're going to go to costume, we're going to go to backgrounds, bottom right. Sorry, I made a mistake there. We're going to go to the one above that, which says backdrop 3. I'm just clicking on it. It's a mini picture of the jungle. Go to the backdrop, and we're just going to draw a big red blob over here on the tree. So I need the draw tool. Just going to draw. I've done a purple one, that's fine. You can change the colours at the top, so purple one's fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to say when the parrot touches purple, we're going to change the backdrop. So we need to look at the code for the parrot. So we're going to, down here you've got a forever loop. So we need sort of an if statement. So if touching, so that's a sensing tool. If touching purple, so can you see at the moment it's a sort of dark blue at the moment. So we need that pipette, it's a little thing at the bottom. And we're going to go over here and try and find purple. There it is. It's got to be the exact purple. So if touching purple, we're going to change. So we've got to go to looks again. We're going to switch to woods. There we go. So it's at jungle at the top. And then if touching the purple dot, we're going to switch to the woods. So we need to test it now. So let's test it.
Un perroquet.
Oh, it's exciting. If it doesn't work, we're going to have to debug it. Yay, it worked. Now, you might notice that the parrot appeared over here, whereas if it was flying, it would have to appear over here. So we're going to have to take it back 480 units. It's 480 units across there. So that's quite easy to do. We're just going to move back. So that's minus 480. Minus 480. There we go. And this should work now.
Un perroquet.
Great. No, it didn't work. What did I do wrong? It's
Un
nice when
perroquet.
something doesn't work because you actually have to test it. So let's just... Oh, I think I forgot to get rid of that box that was appeared. The big box. Yay, there we go. And the last thing I want to do is make Andy disappear because he wouldn't be in the woods. He's in the jungle. So we're going to... We did this a couple of weeks ago. So we're going to send a message to Andy to say hide. So that's under events. So it's going to broadcast a message, a new message called Andy underscore. I always use underscores, and hide. So we need to now go to Andy, and then we say if or when I receive a message Andy hide, I need to hide. And I'm just going to be kind to you and say you will need to put a show at the beginning, because next time you run it and Andy will still be hidden. So let's do a final test, and then you can have a go and you can try and make those
perroquet.
beetles hide as well. So I'm hopeful this will work. There you are, Andy's not there, but the beetles are. So enjoy yourself, and you can use this for any adventure that you want to create.